Welcome to Managua Heights, selling at luxury No Reserve auction on October the 10th with Supreme Auctions. Continue watching to discover this magnificent estate. Being nestled into the rolling hills of the Costa neighborhood in Carlsbad, this exceptional custom estate boasts an unparalleled location, combining privacy, abundant space, and spectacular views. Resting within a short distance from La Costa golf courses and the Omni La Costa Resort and Spa, residents enjoy all that downtown Carlsbad has to offer. Known as the Village by the Sea, the city offers streets lined with antique stores, sidewalk cafes and boutique shopping, plus miles of coastline with uncrowded beaches for swimming, sunbathing and surfing. Don't miss your chance to name your price at this exclusive No Reserve auction on October the 10th. Call Supreme Auctions to schedule your private tour of Managua Heights today.